All right, so for problem number 17, Prince never been rich, takes out two loans. I kind of like that, never been rich. He borrows $800 more from a credit union. This is pretty key. $800 more from a credit union that charges 12% interest than from a bank that charges 15% interest. If his interest payments total $420 annually, how much does he borrow at each rate? And so we need to solve two different equations. So first, let's talk about our variable. So we want to know, so let's let C equal the money from the credit union that he borrowed. And then let's let B equal the money from the bank that Ben Rich borrowed. And so we're told that his annual interest payment, and this is simple interest, is $420. So that means if he takes, and the credit union's rate is 12%, so that would be 0.12. That's the amount he has to pay on interest on times C. 0.12 times C plus 0.15 times B, the amount he borrowed from the bank, is going to equal $420, like that. All right, we'll do a second equation in green. We're also told that he earns $800 more from the credit union, or he borrows $800 more from a credit union than from a bank. So basically he borrowed $800 more. So if he takes the amount he borrowed from the bank plus $800, right, because he borrowed $800 more, that's going to equal the amount he borrowed from the credit union. And now we have two equations, two variables, and you can set it up and solve. I would recommend the substitution method because it's already set up to solve for C, but you can choose whichever method